Well, how's it going, Baker Gearheads, Gearheadettes? It's November here in Michigan, and Michigan is fun for most of the year, but things happen, like things that I don't like winter. Winter happens. You know who else doesn't like winter? Your motorcycle. With that, just because your motorcycle hates it doesn't mean you can't make it better over the winter. A couple things you can do for that, a little bit of maintenance, a little bit of service work, gonna make it much happier through the winter. Things like check your air pressure in your tires. I always pump them up to maximum PSI, maybe a little bit more, and then they won't flat spot as much. Change your fluids, transmission, primary, engine. It's easy stuff to do. It makes your bike that much happier over winter. What else could you do to it? I mean, over winter, you want to, definitely put it on a battery tender so your battery's happy. In the spring, it'll start right up, crisp, fresh. All those volts go into that starter. Yeah, I don't know. I know winter sucks, but if you do those things to your motorcycle, it's going to love you in the spring. A little bit of a tech tip here. Have a good day, all.